Hello guys, welcome to my channel Unique Tech.
Realme Race series tipped to launch in India as Realme GT in a TENA listing. The back of a Realme phone is visible with the GT branding towards the bottom. Highlights: Realme's upcoming flagship series in India could be called Realme GT. The smartphone is expected to launch in India this year. Realme GT aka Realme Race was spotted on BIS website earlier this week. Realme's upcoming flagship series in India, referred to as Realme Race until now, could launch as the Realme GT series, as per a tipster. The tipster claims that the moniker has been trademarked in India. Earlier this week, a Realme smartphone with number RMX2202 was spotted in a TENA listing. This smartphone was believed to be Realme Race, which could be another name for the Realme GT. The upcoming smartphone series will be launched as the Realme GT series, as per the tipster. Known tipster Mukul Sharma shared an image of the Realme GT moniker trademark application. This indicates that the smartphone will be launched in India soon. Realme GT, aka Realme Race, was spotted on the Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) website earlier this week, as per another tipster. However, the smartphone may launch in China before making its debut in India. In pictures visible on its TENA listing spotted earlier, the Realme smartphone was visible along with the GT branding towards the bottom. Keeping this and the moniker information in mind, Sharma said that the smartphone referred to as Race so far will be launched as Realme GT.